down the glen one Easter morn, to a city fair rode I. 3 armoured lines of marching men in squadron that passed me by. No pipes did hum, no battle drum, it sounded loud tattoo. But the Angelus bell or the Liffey swell rang out through a foggy dew. Right proud and high o'er a Dublin sky, they raised their flags of war. It was better to die beneath an Irish sky than at Suvla Sudabar. And from the plains of Rye-o-Meath came the old men hurrying through, a battalion of sons with the long-barrel guns sailed out on the foggy dew. See, 'twas England bade our wild geese to go, so the small nations might be free. Their graves can be found by Suvla's waves, or the shores of the great North Sea. How would had they died by Pierce's side, or fought with Cabral? Their names we would keep where the Fenians sleep, beneath the shroud of the foggy dew. And the bayonets flashed and the rifles crashed as the incoming soldiers wheeled. In a land of rain, neath 7 tons of flame that run over lines of steel. By shining blade of how it was made, to Ireland we will remain true. And when morning broke, still the war flag shook its folds to the foggy dew. Back to the glen, the road again. My heart, it was grieved and sore, for I knew I had parted from gallant men. I knew I would never see more. And to and fro to my dreams I do go, I oft think of you. You fought your fight so that freedom's light might shine through the foggy. It was down the glen one Easter morn, to a city fair rode I.